Have you noticed this? Some men don't fade as they age. They sharpen. Their hair turns gray. Their faces carry time. But the moment they walk into a room, you feel them. It's not because they're trying to look younger. Not because of money. And definitely not because they're chasing attention. There's something simple. Almost no one pays attention to. And it quietly changes how the world sees you. 1. Navy blue, the ageless classic. There's a pattern you start to notice. When you observe men who age well, they don't chase trends. They don't try to look younger. Yet somehow, they always look right. And one color keeps showing up again and again. Navy blue. Stylists often call navy the mature man's black. And once you understand why, you won't look at your wardrobe the same way again. Black is sharp, powerful, authoritative. But on aging skin, it can be unforgiving. It absorbs light. It deepens shadows. It pulls life away from the face. Navy does the opposite. It reflects light softly. It restores balance to the skin. Fine lines look softer. The eyes appear clearer, more awake. Subtle, but powerful. When a man wears navy, he doesn't become louder. He becomes more grounded. Navy carries quiet authority. It doesn't demand attention. It earns it. For men with gray or salt and pepper hair, navy creates contrast without harshness. It frames the face, instead of overpowering it. And that's the key. Aging well isn't about resisting time. It's about working with it. If you want to look composed, reliable, and sharp, wear navy. Keep it simple. A blazer, a knit, a coat, or navy trousers with lighter tones. You don't need more pieces. You need the right ones. Because real style isn't about quantity. It's about alignment. When your colors align with your age, your energy, your experience, people feel it before you say a word. That's why navy never goes out of style. It doesn't chase attention. It commands respect. 2. Olive green, effortless strength. There's a kind of strength that doesn't announce itself. It doesn't rush. It doesn't try to prove anything. But the moment a man walks in, you feel it. That strength has a color. Olive green. Olive is one of the most underrated colors in a man's wardrobe. Not because it's weak, but because it's quiet. And quiet strength is the most powerful kind. Olive sits right between maturity and vitality. It doesn't try to make you look younger. It makes you look steady. And steadiness is deeply attractive. There's a reason olive has been worn by soldiers, craftsmen, explorers. It comes from the earth. It carries resilience. Masculine, without aggression. Confident, without ego. Unlike bright greens that feel forced or juvenile. Olive never competes for attention. It draws it, naturally. On aging skin, olive works like a soft filter. It reduces redness. It smooths contrast. It lets your natural features come forward. Especially with gray or salt and pepper hair. Olive creates harmony, not tension. And that's the difference. You don't wear olive to impress. You wear it because it feels right. To wear it well, keep it grounded. An olive jacket. A field coat. A simple sweater. Pair it with navy for depth. With beige for warmth. With white for clarity. Move slower. Stand with intention. Let the presence build before you speak. Because real style doesn't scream youth. It communicates presence. And presence is what people respond to. Olive doesn't chase attention. It holds it. 3. Light gray, modern sophistication. There's a kind of elegance that doesn't come from standing out. It comes from clarity. That's what light gray does. Most men believe darker colors make them look stronger, more serious, more respectable. And earlier in life, that can be true. But over time, those same heavy colors start to weigh you down. They absorb light. They deepen shadows. They close off the face. Light gray does the opposite. It reflects light, gently. It softens lines. It brightens the eyes. It opens your presence without force. Light gray communicates calm intelligence. It says you're composed, thoughtful, at ease with yourself. And when paired with gray or white hair, it doesn't expose age. It elevates it. It creates harmony, not contrast. Balance, not tension. And balance is what defines sophistication. Light gray isn't about fading into the background. It's about stepping forward quietly. To wear it well, keep it clean. A light gray jacket. A simple knit. Even a plain t-shirt. No noise. No excess. Pair it with navy for structure. With olive for warmth. With white for freshness. With charcoal for depth. Simplify everything else. Your outfit, your movement, your words. Say less. Mean more. Because true sophistication isn't loud. It's understood instantly. Light gray doesn't try to impress. It simply belongs. And when you wear it right, so do you. 4. Burgundy, confidence with warmth. There comes a point when a man's confidence changes. It's no longer loud. No longer proving anything. You don't hear it. You feel it. That's where Burgundy lives. Burgundy carries the energy of red. Strength, presence, life. But it's been softened by time. Deepened by experience. It doesn't push. It draws you in. On aging skin, Burgundy does something subtle, but powerful. It brings warmth back to the face. It makes the eyes stand out. It softens expressions, makes them more open. Bright red can feel aggressive. Too loud, too young. Burgundy is different. It doesn't demand attention. It welcomes it. That's why it works so well with age. It respects where you've been, while reminding people, you're still here. Still present, still alive. Burgundy signals confidence, without arrogance. It says you're comfortable being seen. You don't need to dominate the room. Your presence already fills it. To wear burgundy well, be intentional. A sweater. A polo. A subtle layer. Even a small detail. You don't need much. Pair it with navy for depth and authority. With gray for balance. With cream for warmth. With olive for grounded masculinity. Slow down your movements. Hold your gaze just a moment longer. Let people come to you. Because at this stage, warmth matters more than edge. Connection matters more than control. Burgundy understands that. It doesn't chase youth. It honors experience. And when you wear it right, people don't just see you. They feel you. 5. White, the color of renewal. White is often misunderstood. Most men think it's too simple. Too risky. Too easy to stain. So they avoid it. But simplicity, when chosen on purpose, is one of the strongest signals of confidence. White is not the absence of color. It is the presence of light. When you wear it right, it reflects light back onto your face. It softens shadows, brightens the eyes, makes you look more rested, without trying. White communicates clarity, cleanliness, self-respect. It says you take care of yourself, without saying a word. And that's why it works. White doesn't hide. It stands, calmly, in the open. To wear white well, be precise. Choose clean fabrics. Cotton for everyday. Linen for ease. Soft knits for comfort. Keep it sharp. Keep it intentional. A white shirt. A simple tee. A light layer. That's enough. Pair it with navy for structure. With gray for calm. With olive for balance. With burgundy for warmth. Let white create space for everything else to breathe. Move slower. Stay composed. Don't rush to fill silence. Because real confidence doesn't compete. It allows. White doesn't try to look young. It makes you feel new. Take a moment and look again. Navy, olive, light gray, burgundy, white. These aren't just colors. They're signals. They don't make you look younger. They express the man you've become. Because real style isn't about hiding age. It's about revealing character. When you choose colors that reflect clarity, calm, and confidence, people notice. Not because you're trying harder, but because you're finally comfortable in your own skin. And that comfort is what draws people in. If you found this video valuable, subscribe to Silent Stoic, so each day You become stronger and more composed. Which color will you wear to express who you are today?